Welcome back, students, in Summer Bootcamp Day 2 activity. Once again, very good morning, everybody. My name is Shivani Tyagi, and I am the resource person for today's session, which I am conducting on Adobe Spark and fostering digital and creative skills. This session has been conducted by Bharat AI Labs. Thank you so much to all of you whoever joined this session on time today. So our today class agenda is, firstly, we will read about little bit about Adobe. And the second one, that is Spark page. And the third one, how we will share a Spark page with other members. So before starting our today topic, firstly, we will cover about Adobe Spark. And when we talk about Adobe Spark, we mainly talk about 21st century skills, the essential skills like communication, creativity, collaboration, creative problem-solving skills, and critical thinking skills. These are some of the skills that we are always talk about when we talk about Adobe Spark. Now, what is Adobe Spark? First question is, what is Adobe Spark? Adobe Spark is basically a simple and powerful digital application to tell stories, share graphics, create videos, and web applications. Let me tell you one thing, this session, you need to be very attentive. If you miss out one thing, you will miss out all. So it is a chain basically, students. And today we will learn how to create interactive, effective web page without any tough coding. That means आज हमें कोई भी कोडिंग नहीं करनी है, विदाउट कोडिंग वेब पेज क्रिएट करना है, इवन वेब स्टोरीज क्रिएट करनी है. Now I will tell you how we can use this tool Spark page, in which we will create a beautiful web stories or web pages. So for this, I need to open any web browser. So firstly, I'll quit my presentation and go on any web browser which are available on your laptops, on your desktop, on your phone. Anything, any web browser you can take, like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, anyone which you want to take. So I'll take this one, Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome, I'll type one link, and the link is www.adobe.com. You can note down on your notebook also for further use, www.adobe.com. And after that, you can enter it like this, and then you can see the Adobe window. This is your Adobe window. As you all know, in yesterday's session, we have already learned how to sign in and how to register ourselves in Adobe, and how can create our account on Adobe. I have already registered myself on Adobe. That's why I'll quickly go on my account. Yes, by the help of these 9 dots, just click on it, and after that you can click on Spark. So this is the way you can directly jump on the Adobe window. I have already registered myself on Adobe. That's why मुझे कोई नीड नहीं है एक फ्रेश अकाउंट क्रिएट करने की. अगर इवन आपका अकाउंट क्रिएट नहीं है, देन आप डायरेक्टली साइन इन कर सकते हैं अपने गूगल अकाउंट से. Okay, so this is the appearance of your Adobe. Now you can see here, these are the stories and projects which we have already created. Let me show you one example. This is the web page which I have created before. Okay, I'll show you. It takes some time. Yes, now it is properly loading. Yes, this is the web page which I have already created. I'll show you. जब तक ये ओपन होता है तब तक आप ये शॉर्ट मैसेजेस को रीड कर सकते हैं. These messages are very useful for us. Okay, yes, this is my web page. Now you can see in this web page, some text are here, some pictures are here. You can see I can scroll down by the help of scrolling. Now you can see here it is a button. If I'll click on this button, then I will directly jump on the next web page like this. It is loading now. You can see here. It means अगर मैंने कोई भी बटन क्रिएट किया है तो मैं डायरेक्टली एक दूसरे वेब पेज पर जंप कर सकती हूँ. Yes, like this. Now you can see the all information, and you can read the all information of your web page. Now I'll close it and come back on my web page. Now you can see the glide show is here, the YouTube video is here, and even photo grid is here, in which lots of photos are here. And this web page nicely created. Yes, like this. And it is a split layout, right? So how we can design that kind of web page, let's see here now. So once again, go back and close this preview. And now here you can see the SP button. So just click on SP button, and then you can see you will come back on home screen, or we can say that welcome screen. On home page, you will click on plus button, and then you will get a list in which we need to create, or we need to click on web page for creating a web page. As we have already learned about flyers, web posts in yesterday's session. So today we will learn how we can create that kind of web page which I have shown you. So just click on web page, and now you can see the fresh web page in front of you. So just click once again. Yes. Now it is loading the fresh web page in front of us. Go once again. It takes some time just because of net connection. So yes, here is the web page. Now you need to decide what you want to create. अब हमें ये सोचना है कि अब हम अपने वेब पेज पर क्रिएट क्या करना चाहते हैं. So I thought and I want to create a flower gallery. So I'll add my title here. Yes, flower gallery, like this. And if I want to change the title, then I can do by just erasing it, and I can use the another title like House Beautiful. Yes, like this. So it is completely up to you which title you want to give your web page. So now next one is you can add subtitle also. So just click on add a subtitle, and now you can type, do you know what flower you will use at your next event? Visit our flower gallery, or we can write here House Beautiful. Flower gallery to decide. So this is my subtitle. This is my title and subtitle related to my web page. And if I want to add background image here, then I will click on this plus button, which is available at the center of our web page. Here it is. So just click on it, and then click on photo and find some photos here. You can see here are various options. Find free photos, Creative Cloud, Lightroom, connect to Dropbox, connect to Google Photos, connect to Google Drive. Now I can take and I can select any of the photo from free photos. And if I want to upload, then I can do the task easily. So I just type here in search box, flower. Then you can see the result. So just type here flower. And search once again, and you can see lots of images are available, lots of photos are available. And I can select any of the photo which I want to add here. As soon as I am adding photo, like if I want to add this one, then you can see the result. As soon as I'm adding photo here, we get one option here, that is scroll to start writing your story, right? तो दैट मीन्स अगर मुझे इस वेब पेज पर कोई भी स्टोरी क्रिएट करनी है तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना होगा स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे स्क्रॉल डाउन करना होगा. और जैसे ही मैं स्क्रॉल डाउन करूंगी, सो आई विल सी द मेन्यू बार. हियर इट इज. And on this menu bar, there are couple of options. One is photo and another one is text. Next one is button. And then there is a video, photo grid, glide show, split layout. These are 7 different ways to representing your content or data. First one is photo. So I can add photo by just clicking on this. Like this. If I want to add this one, then I can add photo here. So it is completely up to you कि मैं उसको किस शेप में ऐड करना चाहती हूँ. Like I want to add in window shape, then you can see. Right now, the next one is text. Next one is text. I can write any text which I want to write here related to my web page by just clicking on this. So just click on text, and now here is the space where you can easily write the text about your web page. So I'm just writing here, it is a flower gallery. Even you can format this text after adding text. I can easily format the given text by using these given features by just selecting the text. तो मुझे क्या करना होगा, सबसे पहले अपने टेक्स्ट को सेलेक्ट करना होगा, and then I can easily format a given text. I can align my text, left alignment, this is center alignment, and this is right alignment. For example, if I want to align my text right, then you can see my text is here. If I want to select, if I want to align my text at center, then just click on center. Now you can see my text is here. If I want to bold my text, then just click on B option. Now you can see. If I want to create heading, so just click on heading option. If I want to create unordered list, so just click on this one. Now you can see अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट आप इजीली क्रिएट कर सकते हैं लाइक दिस. If I want to create ordered list, then just click on this one. So this is the way you can create ordered list, right? So these are the formatting steps which you want to create according to your requirement. So I'm just clicking on once again to remove the format which is ordering list, right? मैं उसको remove कर रही हूँ and I'll just create a normal text which is in center. It is our flower gallery. Now move on to the next one. Just click on plus button once again. I can click on this and I can create a button. So just click on this. And now you can see here are many options. First one is add a button. It means यहाँ पर मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? We can easily create here by just clicking on that. Here the option in which we will create the name of button, or we can say that we will type here text which we want to write on button, right? So I will type here importance of flowers. राइट अब मैं इस बटन की हेल्प से क्या कर सकती हूँ? मैं इजीली क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ कोई भी अनदर वेब पेज का लिंक यहाँ पर. लाइक आई एम जस्ट गोइंग here and I'll type here the importance of flowers. Importance of flowers. अब अगर मैं ये पूरे वेब पेज के लिंक को वहां उस बटन पर रीडायरेक्ट करना चाहती हूँ, then I can do easily by the help of just copying the URL of this web page. I'll copy the URL of this web page. And just copy by the help of Control-C, and I'll come back on my web page and just type here and just paste here the link which you have copied. And now here is the alignment option. By the help of alignment, you can align your button again by defaultly in left direction or in center or in right direction. So I'll put on right. So just click on this, and after that you can click on save button. And now you can see here is your button. If you want to check the result of your button, then you can go back on preview option. It is loading now. Yes, here is your web page. अभी तक आपने जितना भी वेब पेज क्रिएट किया है आप देख सकते हैं. House beautiful. Do you know what flower you will use at your next event? Visit our flower gallery to decide. Yes, it is a flower gallery, and now the importance of flowers. So just click on it and now you can see the result. आप directly एक दूसरे वेब पेज पर रीडायरेक्ट कर जाएंगे जहां पर आपकी importance of flowers available है. So no need to write the fully content on your web page. You can create easily by the help of buttons. So I'll go back on my web page and now move on to the next one. So just firstly close your preview, and after that you can click on once again plus button. Now the next one is video. We can easily embed our video on our web page. Any video which you want to embed on your web page. So just click on that. And after that, you can go on YouTube and just type here importance of flower. Now you can see the video. Just open it, and after that you can copy the URL of this link, URL of this video. By just copy it, you can easily embed the video on your web page. So just go back on your web page and just type here and just paste here your video link. And now you can see when you click on save, video has embedded. So this is the way you can embed any YouTube video or any Adobe Spark video on your web page easily. Now we will move on to the next, that is PhotoGrid. Now PhotoGrid is a very simple feature. If I want to add some photos regarding our flower gallery, so I can just use it, just clicking on it, and now you can insert various flower images by the help of tagline fabulous 5, fabulous 10, fabulous 32. जितनी भी आप images यहाँ पर provide करना चाहते हैं. Like if I want to take this one, if I want to take this one, so just click one by one like this, and now you can see the result. PhotoGrid is ready now. And after that, you have to click on save button. Now you can see, even you can add a caption here, and the caption is what? Fabulous 5. If you want to edit the grid, then you can just click on edit grid. Like if you want to change any image or any photo from your grid, then just click on edit grid and you can change easily. And if you want to delete any photo, then you can use the delete option. Now I'll move on to the next one, that is a split layout. Before Glide Show, I will discuss a split layout. In a split layout, I have photo on one side and I have a text, button, photo, video on another side. Now you can see these all options are here. It means आप one side image create कर सकते हैं और another side आप photo related to this photo, and related to this photo you can create text, you can create button, you can create video which you want to create on your web page. So I'm just adding one photo here. Like I will take a rose flower and just add text about this rose flower. I'll go once again on Google. I can even use copy paste type of text here. So I'll just go on Google and type here about rose flower. And just copy from here by the help of Control C and go back to on our web page and just use Control V here. Now you can see, and even you can add here about rose flower. Right, now you can add one more split layout. You can swap easily by these two arrow buttons. If you want to change the content of both sides, then you can use this swap button. As you can see earlier, I have used the image that side, and now I can use the image on that side by the help of this swap button. So just add your image. Like if I want to add jasmine flower here, jasmine flower. Yes. And now you can add some text or video or button which you want to take. So I'll take here text and just about jasmine flower. Now I can copy the text from here and go back on our web page and just paste here by the help of Control V. Now you can see, you can add here also about jasmine flower. About jasmine flower, and now you can see the result. Okay, so let's discuss the last one, that is glide show. Inside a photo, you can add further text by the help of glide show. So just clicking on it, and now you can add any image which you want to add. Like if I want to add flower image here, and one more I can take for glide show. And now I will click on save button. Now you can see the beautification of glide show. You can add text with your photo image. So I'll just click on it and just type here any text which I want to add here. So this is my gallery, photo gallery. And now just add one more text here, please visit. Please visit here. Right, so now I can check my website or web page by the help of preview. It is proper working or not. So just clicking on preview button, and now you can see my web page is loading now and my web story is loading now. And by the help of preview option, I can easily check my result. I can done my task properly or not. Yes, here it is. So this is my website or web page. Now you can see by the help of scroll down, lots of information is available here. Importance of flower, just click on it. This is your button. Yes, it is properly working. आपने जो यहाँ पर लिंक क्रिएट किया था वो डायरेक्टली उस वेब पेज पर रीडायरेक्ट कर रहा है. नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज योर video about the importance of flower in human life. Just clicking on it and now you can see the YouTube video easily. So this is the way you can create YouTube video on your web page. Now I'm going back and just scroll down once again. And now you can see this is your grid layout in which we have various images about flowers. And the next one is detailed description about each and every flower. If you want to swap it, then you can use the swap button. If you want to edit this, then you can use the replace button. Now move on to the next one. This is the another image in which we have again detailed description about this flower. And now you can see the last one. This is the glide show in which we have text with background image in a very beautiful manner. Now, after creating this web page, what should I do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? Simply, I would like to share my web page with my friends, with my colleagues, with my teachers, with my team members. So what should I do for that? Just click on share button, and after that you can publish the link of your web page. Because without publishing, you cannot share the link of your web page to anyone. And after that, just click on create link. And now you can see within a few seconds, your link will be ready to copy. Here is the link which we can easily share with our friends. So just copy it. And after copy, you can save any place. So I'm just opening my notepad to save it because at the end of session, I will easily share with anyone. So I'll use here notepad for pasting. So by the help of Control V, I can easily save it. So this is the way we can easily create web page on Adobe Spark. I hope every concept is clear to you. Now we will take a doubt solving session for 10 minutes.